Hi guys, today I made a ramp. I'm gonna show you guys it right now. Here's the ramp. It's made on a mattress, a bucket, and a little pillow. So this guy, our contestant, our RC car, can test out the ramp. And let's see how good the ramp is. Here you go. Sometimes it might just not work for some reason. Oh, wait, it's working. Come on. Okay, let's try again. That works pretty good because every time it comes off, it does like a double backflip. Let's do that again. But like 4 more times. That's so loud. Okay, maybe 1 more time. This last one isn't working out. Okay, guys, that will be the end of this video. If you want to see more videos like this, you could type in Maxwell Murphy in the search bar, or you could go down and press the big blue M to see all of my other random videos. Bye.